Do you find yourself constantly looking through the Nacha operating rules and guidelines? We've partnered with Identifee and their intelligent chatbot, Ida, to make it easy to ask any question related to the Nacha operating rules and guidelines and get answers back within a few seconds. Here's how it works. Step 1. Ask your question. Step 2. Review your answer. You can ask Ida to help summarize, re-explain your answer, or help draft an email to someone about your answer. And step 3, give yourself a high five because you just saved a boatload of time. Ready to learn more? Reach out to our team today to get started.